So for the past couple days, I've been racking my brain on what I'm going to do for this video. I knew that I wanted to do a purposeful hairdryer pour, but I just didn't know what exactly it was going to be. And then yesterday, it snowed. First time this season, and I believe it was the record for my general vicinity. And my dad started talking about going on vacation. So I got this idea. I decided that I was going to go on vacation in my pour. So I'm going to try and do my own version of a beach pour. I have 3 separate colors of brown for the beach, and I've got 3 separate colors of blue for the ocean. I'm going to dirty pour the beach, and then I'm going to lay out one of the colors of blue and then layer the other 2 over it with white and blow that out with my hairdryer. So stick around and I hope you enjoy it. All right, so here's my cup, and I will get pouring for my dirty pour. And of course this may not work at all. Black for depth. Oops, I just lost a stick. And then the final bit. This one up high. Final bit of this. All right. I'll give that a little swirl. Brown on top of brown on top of brown. Hoping this looks okay. And I'm just gonna pour right over here. There we go. All right, so that's that for that cup. Now I'm gonna, first I'm gonna torch it because there's a lot of air bubbles in this. And I got a new torch, yay! No more having to light it with my lighter. We're just gonna go back and forth on this. That way. All right, so torch it again. All right, so there's my beach. Now I'm gonna put my blue down for my ocean. And this is just phthalo blue, nothing mixed into it, no silicone, it's not metallic. All right. Spread this out. I'm just working my edges right now, make sure I get them completely covered. And I'll go back in here with my fingers to get it up to the brown. There we go, okay. I'll take my fingers and get up here to brown. Maybe. All right, I should fix that right there. Okay, so put my white over this. And then my blues. And this is Ultramarine blue. So put some on there. And this is sky blue mixed with a bit of turquoise. And I think I'm going to use another blue. I only have a bit of. Oh yeah, that's definitely better. And it doesn't matter what direction you put these in, because I'm just going to be blowing it all out this way. Some more of this. And some more light blue. Okay, now put my cups over here. I'm gonna go ahead and torch it real fast. Just to make sure I got any bubbles. Okay, this is my hair dryer. Just a regular Revlon. Nothing special. I don't have any attachments for it, so, and it's pretty loud, so I'm gonna turn down the sound. All right, so another torch. Let's see what I can do with this area with my airbrush. There we go. I really like this. I'll get rid of the bubbles. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit here for a few minutes, see if anything happens, and when I come back, we'll come down for the close-up. All right, so we're back. It's been about 10 minutes, and I am surprisingly pleased with this. It actually worked the way I wanted it to. So this is the main thing, and down here we have our beach area, got some rocks in there. Over here. And then over here we have our beautiful ocean. I got the exact amount of cells I wanted. Didn't want it completely covered with cells, but wanted some in there. Now I'm thinking maybe instead of this being a beach, it might become a cliff somehow. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do it, but it just doesn't look very beachish to me. Maybe because it's so dark, but it's still a beautiful piece. And here it is the right way. Anyways, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment on it. And as always, have a great day. Bye.